buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a vet. They're just gonna check you. It's okay, buddy.
Come on, out. Out right now. Come on. Come on, get out. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Hazel. Are you high, bud? I think you might be high.
Daisy, you're not walking.
Why are you so sad, huh? Do you not want to go to the vet? You gotta get your last shots, buddy. You okay? It's okay, Bubba.
Hey. Are you mad at me because you gotta go to the vet? Are you mad? I love you. You're just getting some vaccines. You're a big baby.
Well, you have to go to the doctor. Well, I'm sorry, but you need to have those stickers out. Yeah. And you be a good boy.
Did you have the vet? Don't get mad. You gotta go to the vet. Please. Don't argue. Bye, Zara. Bye. Penny. Penny, are you okay?
Okay, we're gonna go to the vet, and then mommy has to stay in the car. So I will hand you over to them. I'll hand you to them, and then they'll take you in.
Carl, what's wrong? You gonna tell me about it? What happened?
Do you don't like the vet?
He said no.
Harley, do you want to go to the vet? You want to go to the doctor? Good. Let's go. Are you going to the doctor? Why do you like the vet?
Okay. Guess where we are? Your favorite place, the vet. I can still see you.
You gonna talk to me? Crystal, honey. Hello. You mad?
You mad at me?
Rita, oh my god! We've got to go see the doctor! Oh no, honey. Okay, alright.
Doctors, you ready to go to the doctor? Okay, here we go. Stay, okay? Stay over there. Snickers, come on.
Come over. Oh, you got it.
You gonna go to the doctor's?
Doctor?
Wanna go see the doctor?
Want to go see the doctor?
Go see the doctor?
You ready? You ready? See the doctor.
What do you think's gonna happen tomorrow when he goes see Dr. Casper?
Shrapnel. Do you not want to go? You don't want to go to the vet? Oh, you need your shots. Shrapnel.
You know, the vet's not ready for you yet. They're not ready. You're not gonna die. It's fine.